In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a checklist in Monday.com step by step to help you organize your tasks more efficiently. First things first, let's navigate to your board. Open your preferred web browser and log into your Monday.com account. Once you're in, head to the dashboard where your boards are located and select the specific board you're working on. This is the surface where all your projects, tasks, and activities are organized. Now that you're on your board, find the task name or item for which you want to create a checklist. Click on that task name. This action is very straightforward but crucial as it opens up the detailed view of your task. You'll now notice that it creates a dedicated tab for this particular task, allowing you to see more detailed information and providing additional functionalities that weren't visible on the main board. With the Task tab open, it's time to add your checklist. Look for a check icon that's generally located near the set of tools or options specific to that task. Once you've spotted it, go ahead and click on the check icon. This will trigger the interface to allow the creation of a checklist under that task. You'll see an empty checklist area appear where you can start listing your items. Start typing in your checklist. Keep the entries clear and concise, reflecting each step or subtask that needs completion under the broader task. Remember, this checklist is like a mini to-do list within your task context, so it can vastly improve task management, delegation, and priority setting. A handy tip while typing: ensure the checklist items are in a logical order, perhaps by priority or in practical sequence to optimize efficiency. Once you've entered all the necessary checklist items, it's time to save your progress and ensure everything is updated correctly. Simply click on the Update button, typically found at the bottom or top of the task pop-up. This step confirms all your checklist entries have been successfully saved and are now part of the task's attributes. That's it. You've now successfully added a checklist to a task in Monday.com. This feature is a great way to keep each task organized and make sure all the small details are accounted for. Whether you're managing a big project or just trying to keep track of daily tasks, implementing checklists will definitely assist in maintaining efficiency and organization. Don't forget to regularly revisit and update your checklist as tasks progress. It helps in keeping your team informed and your workflow smooth. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.